Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge hosted by Margarete Miller. And we're on week 16 and our prompts are foreign text. So I've got this. A movie star, I've got Lucille Ball. A cooking utensil, I've got this whisk. An image with gradient color, so I've got these flowers. Ledger paper, I've got this faux ledger paper. And something torn, and I tore around this cute cow, and I will probably be tearing around my text. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I just got through reading a very good book by Kendra Elliott. And of course, I can't remember the name of the book. I'm terrible with names. Let's see. But it was good. Is Kendra Elliott Her First Mistake? It was really good. I had to give it a 5-star. A lot of mystery. I didn't suspect who did it until towards the end. So it was really good. Okay. And I've been listening to, sometimes while I craft, I listen to Dean Koontz audiobooks, the Nameless series, and that's real good. They're free on Prime. The Kendra Elliott was free. The problem is there's 6 in the series and none of the others are free. That tends to be my problem. Okay. So I can get this down. I think that's how they get you. They're free on Kindle Unlimited. I've got too many subscriptions. Because I finally, Susan had suggested the YouTube Lite, and it has been so nice to not have to watch commercials. I love it. All right, now let's see how I hadn't even looked to see how I want to lay this out. So I am really flying by the seat of my pants. All right, now these can embellish. I have got that cute cow. I figured Lucy, I don't know, Lucy may do better. Maybe something like that. Have my whisk and embellish. I just love those cows. Those came from Christie's Printables on Facebook. Used to, they were all free. And now I think they're free to print, but you could use them, you know, in your artwork and stuff. Now you have to get a license. People were taking advantage of her. Somebody does something good for you out of the goodness of their heart, and then people just can't leave it alone. All right. So this was chipboard. I just took a lot of that off. I have a lot of this. I got at Joann's for Christmas. Christmas and my birthday one year. And I need to do something with it. this. Wish I had a little thing of ice cream and then, you know, have the whisk and the ice cream. Or maybe milk. There we go. This is a very simple one. These weren't the most fun. I did pretty good except for the one the one little wire piece that I ended up cutting through. But it kind of looks like mine in the kitchen. All right. I don't want to cover up those numbers. And down here. I hope everybody's had a nice weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. All right. Close this up and I'm going to do some splatters. And I think I'm going to go with that darker bronzy color. Let's see. Now my oldest son starts a new job tomorrow. He is going to be working in the bank. He went to school, business, and hasn't really got to use his degree. So he finally found him something. I'm excited for him. I wish my youngest could find him something that he enjoys. He works. Sometimes he likes his job, but it's not a very good place to work for. And he comes home so frustrated. It's bad to be in a job you're not happy with. Been there, done that. All right. So we have got our foreign text. We've got our movie star, cooking utensil, image with gradient color, ledger paper, or faux ledger paper, and something torn. We've got I tore around my little cow here and around my my foreign text. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. I hope your day is wonderful and blessed. Y'all have a great, great, great week. So until next time, bye y'all.